So I'm watching some videos about how I'm gonna do my hair or whatever, and I showed y'all the part of the window that's open this much. The blind is not set up properly to cover the entire window to be closed, and it's people that just keep on. I'm on the bottom floor, and it's men, women. They just keep on coming past my room, and y'all already know. I stayed here a night before. So, and I was here during the daytime. I was here, and I know the traffic, is not to where they got to keep coming past. I already did a walkthrough of the property and the middle part of the property yesterday, and I came through and I saw the way that it's built. And the way that the property is built is all those people is not going to keep just coming past my room. Another person just came past my room. So I'm going to tell y'all how quick they all been coming past my room. One guy sitting right there, he come back again, then he come back again, and he come back again. Then it's another man, and he walk past, and then it's another one, and he's standing right there by my room. And then it's women that just came past, and it was another man standing out there. Now somebody else just went past, and somebody right before then. So they just it's to the point where I have to say something now, because I originally got mad and I made a video, but I was like, nah, I'm too angry behind what they trying to do, especially with them trying to be slick about it, and they got these businesses involved everywhere that I go. They've had Targets poisoning food, opening up my food. They had Walmarts canceling orders to try to have me out on the streets. They done had hotels allowing people to pull operations around me, murderers, gang members, pedophiles, Satanists on their property. And ain't no coincidence that I'm in a room with the window half not even all the way covered with the blind. And then people keep coming past, and I'm not scared of them, but they know what they doing. They trying to make me feel uncomfortable wherever I am. And they was harassing me in my other hotel, making big banging sounds, knocking out the power, knocking on the door, harassing me coming out of my room, going anywhere, just constantly harassing me, following me, watching, just bullshit. And you don't have the right to bother me. And this is why I don't even like being around them, because let me just, Jesus, I hate wicked ass people, man. And especially the people in America, they be thinking they can try to pull bullshit on people, and they too grown for that shit. I sense the spirits coming from these males that's trying to pull this bullshit, keep walking past my fucking room. I sense the spirits of James Devon Harris. James Devon Harris pulled out a gun on me and was trying to pull all kind of little bullshit on me. It's like, psh, I don't even know you fucking people. I don't fucking know you. I don't know who the fuck you cutting for, trying to fuck with me, but you ain't really getting no cool points. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't post the first video because I was like, I posted the video what God wanted me to talk about, and God wanted me to talk about my visions of them being child molesters and them bothering me because they pedophiles. And there go another motherfucker walking past my room. The traffic is not that bad. Trust me. You could say, oh, it's the morning time, and they gotta know it's not that many people that's gonna keep coming past my room. People got cars. People go to the front office. People is not finna keep coming past my room and keep coming past my room while people trying to set me up to be murdered in this country. And then they keep walking close enough to that little opening of the window where the blinds is not covering, and they keep trying to get close enough so where I can see them. And it's like, you not intimidating me, bruh. You really not. You making me angry. You making me angry. And you making me, somebody calling me, you making me angry. And you making me want to attack one of y'all because I know what you're doing. But I'm not going to do it. I already went out and inspected how far they can actually see in here, and they really can't see that much in here. So they keep coming back and keep coming closer to my window. And at nighttime, they'll be able to see. So I noticed if I cut the light off like this, and they can't really see in here. So this how I am I'm on my YouTube channel or whatever, and I'm looking at some videos how I'm gonna do my hair, and I got the light off, and they keep coming past my window, and it's not them just coming past. Oh, we just gotta go to the front office. The whole property is surrounded like this. You can go around the property each what you can. If your room on that side, you can go to that side. You can go, if your room in the middle, you can go through the middle. Why are all these thugs and Hispanics and all these people that, first of all, these same thugs try to set me up to be killed in this line about my pregnancy. These same Hispanics is over there helping these white people lie about my pregnancy and try to set me and my baby up to be raped and molested in this country because they want to be racist. So y'all ain't just keep coming past my window, keep coming past my motherfucking window while I'm just putting information out about them being pedophiles and setting me up all over this country. Y'all not keep just coming past my window like that. I done stayed plenty of places. So they can't really see up in there that good. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm cutting out the light like this. But the fact that they keep coming past and keep coming past and keep coming past and trying to harass me while I'm in my room because they know that I can see them. I'm right here and I can clearly see them keep coming past. And then one dude kept just standing right in front of my window. Black guy with an afro. He kept coming just standing right by my window. And then they trying to talk to each other and act like they just being normal. No, you not. Get the fuck away from my motherfucking window. And see, this is why I'm getting angry. I'm getting upset. And I don't want to get hostile because I fuck around and go out there like, hold on, look. You not finna keep standing up in front of this window. You not finna, this was the whole point of the man saying that he wanted to move me to this hotel claiming that it wasn't no riffraff or whatever at this hotel. It's a quiet hotel. Everybody's quiet. Why the fuck do y'all keep on coming past my fucking window and trying to act normal? They coming back to 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 back. That's what made me get on here to tell. And I know the Lord, when all the shit come out in the woodwork come out and everything come out about these murders and these child molestations and me being pregnant and them being Satanists and Jesus Christ being involved in it's gonna add up. Why the fuck they keep coming past my motherfucking window? Now I'm not scared of that motherfucking ass. I'm a queen and I'm the queen and I'm finna be in here being motherfucking peace and the motherfucking peasants and whoever the fuck wanna keep fucking with me outside my window, you stay the fuck outside my motherfucking window. You come up in this motherfucking room, then we gonna hit smack down, drag out. That's what the fuck we gonna do. And don't nobody need to come up in here trying to bother me. No hotel staff, the male who got me the room, nobody that keep coming past my window, nobody. I don't know. Police damn sure don't try to come fucking with me while I'm in here with this child, resting. Don't nobody need to bother me. So if that's all they can do is be acting like they fighting outside, making noise all night long, trying to wake people up, I'm good. I ain't have my visions till the daytime. So can't fuck up my visions. They be trying to mess up my visions and stuff by making noise and shit when they think I'm asleep, trying to make all them noise. And as you can see the type of visions that I have, you'll understand why these Americans are trying to do this sleep disturbances and shit like that, because they involved with this satanic coven that rape children and you going fucking down by the name of Jesus Christ. So y'all can just run around like little idiots all the fuck you want to. Whoa, because the devil's time is very fucking short. So go ahead and keep running past my fucking window right along with that demonic ass satanic spirit, because your time gonna be motherfucking short.